Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your PS5. How do you actually go ahead and set it up? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, we want to go ahead and get the power cord, which is this right here. And you want to make sure that it's connected towards the back at the bottom portion right over here. So let's go ahead and plug in our PS5 into the wall outlet right over here. Next, you want to go ahead and grab an HDMI cord. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this HDMI cord right over here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to plug our HDMI cord to the back of the PS5. And so with that, let's grab our HDMI cord and we'll just plug it in right over here at this bottom portion. So with our power plug connected to our PS5 and an HDMI cord also connected to the PS5, all we've got to do now is press the power button, which is right over here, and you're going to see your PS5 turn blue. And so it is turning on. And now I'm using it on a Samsung Smart TV. And so with that, you do want to make sure that you're at the right input setting. So for me, Samsung Smart TV does the trick. And if we go ahead and grab our remote, we have two PS5 remotes here. So with 5 now, let me just go ahead and exit out of this window. Just click on OK. So yes, now our PS5 is set up and running. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.